My God, I'm glad to get out. It's a bloody nightmare down here today. Everyone and their dog's been out today. God, flipping it. Sorry if it's a bit wobbly. I'm trying out the new camera. What the hell? You gone down in there, Tarn? Oh, for goodness sake, look. What a daft animal. Can you see her in there? There she is, look. Come on then. Oh, gotta have a ton of pond water, have we? Come on then, out you come. Three, two, one. That's the only thing I can think of. Well, there's a good good comparison. I've got the Tascam with the windshield on it, and I've got the little hairy thingy on the top of the camera as well, and it's pretty windy. I don't know if you can see that. It's you probably can hear it actually. What a beautiful evening. What a beautiful evening. It's absolutely spectacular. Look at it. And there's nobody here now. They've all gone. They've all gone. All the people have gone. They've gone home. Hooray! So I've got a place to myself. Well, sort of. There's some there is some people over there. If you can see them. Over there somewhere. There they are. But yes, like I say, this isn't a vid for anything in particular. It's just to try out the wind. What's it? Right, this is a little bit of test footage, just to try out the audio. This is the audio. The audio you're hearing at the moment is in the camera, which is in the little Lumix. And if I switch it over, this is now the audio on the Tascam, the DR05. So as you can see, there's a bit of comparison for you. There's both of them have got the little windshields I've put on them, and give you a chance to try it out. Right, I'm going to go and see what the dog's up to. So there you go. I seem to have picked a spot where there's people everywhere. I didn't pick a very quiet spot, but I wanted to try something that was a bit windy so that I could try out the two microphones, or the two mods I've done. So, anyway, I've come out, I've done it, so that's good. Thumbs up on that one. And as you can see down, well, I don't know if you can see, but Tom's ready to head off back to the van, and I am too. So peace in every step, everybody. Thanks for watching the vid, and I'll see you in the next one. Cheers, guys.